Hello, good morning. Coming on really quick here just to do a little tinted moisturizer. You guys might have seen me do this before. But today is the start, if you don't know me, the start of my crazy couple days. We Airbnb our personal home. And so we have renters tomorrow. And so that means starting today, I am like a Looney Tune, flying around with my kids here, getting everything ready. And so this is normally probably what I would look like the majority of the day. But I want to show you the tinted moisturizer, which is like right now before I run out with my kids, I could pop it on so simple. And I'm going to be using the Seint Milk Cream. So this is the moisturizer that comes in the skincare set, which is 20% off right now. So that's going to go through July 12th. If you buy the whole skincare set, collection, you will get 20% off, and the milk cream is part of that. So you'll kind of see in the next few days too, I'll share a little bit more about the milk cream and different things you can do. Sunburn, rashes, chapped skin. It's like liquid gold. So I'm gonna do a tinted moisturizer today. So I'm gonna take my Seint Milk Cream and I'm gonna take my main highlight shade. So I just have my palette here. So I'm gonna start by just grabbing some of my main shade, and I'm just going to literally put it on the palm of my hand. And then I'm gonna take a couple pumps of the moisturizer, and I'm just going to make a little blend on my hand. So if you didn't wanna do this on your hand, obviously you could do it like on a paper plate or whatever, but okay. So I am just mixing it together here. And then I am just going to, probably made a little much here, but I'm not paying attention. Okay, I took a before picture also, so I'll show you guys the after picture. So you could just rub this on with your hands if you wanted to. There's no problem with that. I am just going to take my blush and bronzer brush here and just blend this tinted moisturizer right in here. So the majority of the time of the summer, this is literally all I will do. I will not even add a lip and cheek, but you definitely can just pop on, you know, your mascara, lip and cheek color, and that is all you would need. Okay, you guys, that is literally it. So just a little bit of that moisturizer, and then my main shade, and I could pop out the door, go do whatever. No full face of makeup. The Seint Cream is amazing. Evens out my skin tone. I have a lot of redness, so that's really nice as well. This is also something I love to use when I'm going like to the beach or on the boat or something like that. So if you have any other questions about the milk cream before I do the post, just reach out and I could share before and afters of people using the skincare system, using the cream for other things as well. Otherwise, I will post my link here if you're interested in taking a look at some more of the skincare stuff that's on sale. I feel like I literally just got a mosquito bite. So, okay, I will be back later today showing how you can kind of add our glow kit to this, which is another super simple, awesome thing for summer. So I'm gonna pop out, do some errands, and then when I come back, I'll show you guys that glow kit.